Welcome to lesson 3 of our Microsoft Word course. In this lesson, we're going to learn how to type, edit, and select text in Microsoft Word. By the end of this lesson, you'll be able to type text in Word documents, correct mistakes, select text using mouse and keyboard. Without further ado, let's get started. To start typing in Microsoft Word, simply click anywhere on the blank document and begin typing. Like for my case, I've clicked here. You see this blinking line, the vertical blinking line. This is the cursor and it indicates where we are supposed to start typing at. So let us type. ICDL is very interesting. It's very interesting. Come, let us learn ICDL together. If you make a mistake while typing, you can use the backspace to delete text on the left side of the cursor. For example, we want to use the backspace to delete text on the left side of the cursor. You see where my cursor is? Meaning this is the left side. To delete text, suppose we had typed together with the double R or triple R, and we want to delete the R's, these R's, to make this word correct. You click your cursor where you want to start deleting the error and place backspace according to the number of times you want it deleted. 1, 2. We have corrected the word together. Suppose we had typed together with triple O and we want to delete. Now we want to erase or to remove the extra O's using the delete key, not the backspace, the delete key. We'd put our cursor between O, the O's that we don't want, and then press delete twice to erase these two O's. That way. So a quick tip here, you use delete key to delete or to remove text on the right side of the cursor. You use the backspace key to remove text on the left side of the cursor. I hope that is clear. After you reach the end of your line and you want to go to the next line, you press the enter key. It immediately moves the cursor down so you can start a new line. Now let's learn how to select text. To select text using mouse, click and drag over the text. We want to select this entire line. ICDL is very interesting. Up to there. You click where you want to start selecting, and then you drag the mouse to select it. To select a single word, for example, we want to select this word come. You click, to select the word come, you double click on that word. You have selected it. To select the entire paragraph, this entire line from ICDL to together, we want to select it all. We triple click anywhere in the paragraph. And that is how we select our text. A quick tip on shortcut about selecting, you can use Control plus the A on your keyboard to select the entire text. For example, Control A selects everything. Control A selects everything. A quick recap, we have learned how to type text, to correct mistakes, and to select text in different ways. Practice typing and selecting text before moving to the next lesson. In the next lesson, we will learn how to format text to make documents look professional. Thank you for watching. See you in the next lesson.